Hello, this is Kevin with Compulsive Investor. I'm trying something new at one of my properties today. I used to use carpeting for my steps. On all my properties, I'd put carpeting up. I'd put padding down first of all on each of the steps, and then I would usually go to Lowe's or the Depot or something and get a carpet remnant. You can usually get those for under 50 bucks or so. And just cheap carpeting for the steps. It just hasn't worked as well as I thought it was because carpeting gets gross and disgusting really quick. So I'm trying something new for the first time. I've heard other rental property owners do this. You put a good coat of floor paint on the steps first of all, and then you can get these on Amazon. I think it was like $70 for a package of 14 or so, 15, I don't know. It was enough to do a pair of steps. So I think it was like $4 a piece or something like that. In the long run, I think it's gonna work out better because I think they're gonna hold up a lot more. If anybody else has done something similar to this or anything else, please put that in the comments below. And down the line, I'll see how these hold up and post another video. They're real easy to put down as well. They have a little lip on them. You stretch that over top of the tread over the nose of the step, like so, and then I just put these carpet tacks. I'm using these half-inch carpet tacks to tack them right into the front here, three tacks, and then I pull it tight, and then I put 3 more tacks in the back. We'll see how that works. I might end up putting a few more tacks, but again, this is my first time trying this way, so we'll have to see how it works. This is the tenant that is going to be moving in here, is the one that's moving out of another property. He has been waiting for me to get a property that's larger because he just got married and they're having a baby soon. So they need a bigger place, obviously. So he's a really good tenant. I didn't want to lose him and he didn't want to lose me as a landlord. So it's kind of a symbiotic relationship there. Between tenant and landlord. So anyway, he'll tell me how these work how they wear, and if they end up working okay, I'll keep using them in all my properties. The instructions say to use two-sided carpet tape, but I never do things the way the instructions tell you to. I've seen these done this way before with Taxstone. In fact, these steps here, before they were painted, they had old ones on it, and that's how those were down, and they held up pretty good. I don't know how long they were on there, but they were really bad shape, so they were on there a long time. I don't know how good carpet tape works, honestly. I've only used it a few times, and I don't want these things falling off, somebody stepping on and sliding off or whatever. I want to make sure they're down good, so I tacked them. The next time I may try using a stapler or power tool of some sort. I am not good with a hammer because of my eyes and being misaligned like they are. I can straighten them out if I want to, like that. See? But they're normally like that. So because of that, I have no depth perception. So when I start swinging a hammer, I usually end up doing a lot of damage. So I don't like using the hammer. If I can get away with using a power tool where I don't need to use my depth perception, that'd be fantastic. Because I cannot tell the difference between something here and something here, other than the fact that it looks a little bit bigger. I can't tell where it's at three-dimensionally because of my eyesight. But, oh well, I just pound on it until it goes in all the way. That's what you gotta do. Now I just gotta touch up the trim all the way around. If you've gotten anything from this video, please hit that like button, and also if you'd like to continue getting tips like these from the Compulsive Investor, be sure to subscribe, and that way you will continue to get those tips. Have a nice day.